In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add friends to Yubo. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for awesome tutorials about Yubo and other social media platforms. Let's get stuck into it. So we're currently on the main page, which is the live tab at the bottom left hand corner. And if you want to, for example, add a friend that you know in real life and you know their account name, all we're going to do, we're going to click on the add icon at the bottom, and then we're just going to click on the search icon at the top, and we're going to start typing their name. So I'm going to add somebody, I'll search for somebody that's called Lucy. So this is the individual that I'm looking for, and I'm going to click add. And they're going to get a request, and they're either going to accept it or they're going to deny it. But that's how you add somebody that you know. If we go back, we're still on the add tab at the bottom. At the top, it shows people that you have newly just become friends with. And then just below that, you can discover new people that you might want to add. So you can just click on add. And just like the friends request that we sent, by searching somebody that we knew, they're going to get the same message, these individuals here, and they're either going to accept or reject. So yeah, obviously you got here the new name, new friends, and if you want to just see like the big total list of your friends, all we can do is in the top right hand corner, so the icon looks like a person, brings us to our profile page, and then if we look at the number that says 7, and it looks like an individual on the side there, if we click on that, it shows us a list of all our current friends. And then from there, you can click on their profile picture, click the 3 dots at the top, and if you no longer want to be friends with them, you can click unfriend. So that is how you use Yubo to add new friends. See you in the next video.